Hello kids, welcome to my channel. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. B is for butterfly. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish. G is for goat. G is for goat. H is for hat. H is for hat. J is for jug. J is for jug. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. K is for kite. K is for kite. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for mango. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nest. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for peacock. P is for peacock. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. S is for ship. S is for ship. T is for tomato. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for van. V is for van. W is for watch. W is for watch. X is for Xmas. X is for Xmas. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.